Ang job.
I'm done.
Oo. Basta yan.
I said trusting.
Trusting.
I said job.
O job.
Trusting the Lord love. Basta that's what I
O, sino magbabasa yung kasunod? Ikaw?
No.
Ako?
Yeah.
Job was a good man who loved the Lord and kept his commandments. He and his wife had 10 children, and he had many herds of animals and great wealth. Next. Oh, konti lang. Ikaw na yan.
The Lord allowed Job
Faith.
to be
Tried.
Job
Experience.
means hard things.
Very good. O, next, Mildred.
No, you.
Day.
One day, many of Job's animals were stolen. After a fire burned all
Ano,
Job's
after a
property.
fire, later.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Sabi mo after.
All Job's property and killed all his servants and other animals. Then a storm knocked down Job's son's house. Job's children were inside, and they all died. Job and his wife had nothing left but their house.
O, Lodi, your turn. Hoy, come here. Come here na. Psst. Your turn. Dali na. Oo. Basa.
Job and his wife
Were
sad. They lost everything.
Yeah, everything. Even
After
their
they're tired.
children.
Children? I said tired.
Oh, child, tas ren. The children. O, next.
But the
Job.
Job still had
Faith.
faith in the Lord. He didn't blame the Lord for what happened.
Oh, next. Is it you, is me?
Our listed and
Malayo pa yung end. Oh, madami pa. O yan, konti na lang yan. Okay. Then Job became very sick. Painful sores covered his body. Job and his wife wondered why all these bad things were happening. Ikaw na, Day.
The Lord spoke to Job and showed him the earth, the stars, and all living things. The Lord taught Job an important lesson. All things were created to help Heavenly Father's children learn about His Son, Jesus Christ, and follow Him.
O, Lodi, last.
I'm done that.
Hindi, yan na yung pinaka-last. Yan na, last.
No. Let's sama.
O, ikaw muna.
Job
Repented.
and asked the Lord to forgive him for
Doubting.
Help promise to trust the Lord. The Lord knew that Job loved him. He
Healed.
Job
And blessed
him with
more
tired
children.
and
Twice
as much
wealth
as he had before.
Very good.